In front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by locating and opening Photos app. Then click on Photos at the bottom left corner or Library between Memories and search. Either way, after locating all of your photos that you wish to delete, hold one of them and use those type of dots at the top right corners. As you can see, all of my photos were successfully selected. If you want to keep some of them, click on the chosen ones. And then to delete the rest, use this bin icon at the top in Library section or at the bottom in Photos 1. Then select Got It in the pop-up and click on Move to Trash. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!